This problem is from section 9.5, where you have to solve a given variable in an equation. I'm going to go ahead and read the problem. It says, substitute the given values into the given formula and solve for the unknown variable. If necessary, round to one decimal place. Use approximation 3.14 for pi. We notice that the formula is C is equal to 2 times pi times radius. Yeah, this is a circumference formula. And they do give us a circumference, which is 44. And we do know that pi is equal to 3.114 approximately. So we have C is equal to 2 times 3.14 times the radius. If we look at the right side, we're going to have to find the product of 2 and 3.14. And we also have to substitute C for the value of 44. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. We have 44 is equal to 6.28. That's the product of 2 times 314. And then we have times R. As you notice, this is an equation, and we're solving for the radius. And since we're multiplying, we have to divide by 6.28, both sides. 6.28 divided by 6.28 is 1. So the radius is going to be the quotient of 44 and 6.28, which is going to be 7.006 approximately, because it continues going. It says to round to the nearest one decimal, which is this place right here. So therefore, it's going to be 7. Since the number to the right of 0 is less than 5, we're going to go ahead and drop all these digits here, and we're going to leave it as 7.0.